Hi, everyone. Once again, this is Catherine Keith with the Department of Transportation. I'd like to walk us through what our database looks like that contains the statewide transportation improvement program, which really is our vision for transportation projects over the next 7 years. So currently, we're looking at an unfiltered view. And it's the simple view, which you can get to by going to the home page of our STIP website and then clicking on the project summaries tab. And this is the project summaries versus the detailed tab. In the project summaries, we have the name of the project, the scope, location, and basic budgetary information, total dollar amount by year. If you're interested in filtering information, in the upper left-hand corner, you can find a place where there are filters and you can add different ways to filter the data. If you're interested in looking at projects by location, you can select that and you can pick from any of the listed locations, Fairbanks, for example. If you're interested in learning more about the projects in Fairbanks, you can also group them, meaning we could group the projects by not only the project name, but perhaps by construction years and see when we're anticipating construction. You can also sort projects out. So if you're interested in looking at the magnitude of the construction project that you're looking at, you can sort them by dollar amount and then see what some of the larger projects are that are in the Fairbanks area in this draft STIP version. Now, if you're a person that loves to look at greater detail, you have our project detail views. So in this view, you can see there's a number of additional columns that are listed, which are not included in the project summary table. And here, that may include the type of work, whether it's planning, a rehabilitation project, a new construction. You can also find information. You can filter it out by the program, whether it's a part of our data modernization and innovation office, or if it's part of the railroad. You can look at the strategic investments, which include safety, state of good repair, economic vitality, sustainability, and resiliency. And you can also look at projects by landscapes, including waterways, urban, rural, and corridors. You can look at the funding source and the voting districts in which the projects are, in case you want to reach out to your senators or representatives about the projects. So once again, you have the same filtering, grouping, and sorting features. And in addition, you can also download the document into an Excel version. Some people like to work on the data themselves and format it through things like pivot tables so they can create their own analysis, and you have that flexibility to do so. With any of these tools, if you have questions or would like additional guidance on how we use these, please reach out to us. We can create additional tables that are unique to your need.